Hello, happy Tuesday. Today we will not have a Zoom session, but tomorrow on Wednesday we'll have one at 11 a.m. Remember, if you come to my Zoom session on Monday and you come on Wednesday, you are put into a drawing for a special prize, and I deliver that to your house. So two people will get chosen today. Okay, so today in math, let's look at you're going to look at a slideshow. In the slideshow, there's the solution to yesterday's math problem. You're going to look at a would you rather problem. And then there's a video about comparing fractions. After you're done with that, you're going to complete your independent assignment. It's only one problem, but you need to explain your math thinking with symbols. You want to use denominator, numerator, more of a whole, less of a whole. Use those keywords. For Tuesday, for science, you have a sound test. So you're going to complete your test. You can use your notes. You're going to go through here and complete. There are about 5 questions. There's one short answer, and then you're going to submit. For social studies, there's nothing today because of the science test. You have PE this week. And for reading, you're going to do a Nearpod. Make sure on the first page you put your first and last name so that when you submit it at the end, I know who you are. And then on Tuesday, for writing, you're going to listen to a preposition song, and then you're going to take a little quiz on prepositions. And in the quiz, it gives you some examples of prepositions, and remember, it tells you the when or the where about the object. So you're going to do that. There's only a few questions there, and then you are done for Tuesday. Remember, Thursday is your social studies test. So make sure you're reviewing those notes and you get to use those too. And I hope you guys have a good day. Make sure that you are checking your assignments, your grade book on eClass, and make sure you have everything turned in, okay? All of your work needs to be turned in the next, pretty much by Monday, because I'm going to start doing report cards. We'll still have work for the next few weeks, but you want to make sure you get your big assignments, your graded assignments turned in by Monday, okay? All right, have a good day. Bye, guys.